You ever notice how some people sleep 5 hours and wake up energized, while you sleep 8 and still feel drained? Most people think more sleep equals more energy, but if you're waking up foggy, hitting snooze 3 times, or needing coffee just to function, something deeper is happening. Once you understand how your sleep cycles actually work, you'll stop chasing more hours and start waking up sharper, naturally. Your brain moves through 90-minute sleep cycles. Each cycle has stages: light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. When you wake up mid-cycle, your brain is still in recovery mode. That's called sleep inertia. It's why you feel heavy, slow, confused. But here's where it gets deeper. If you sleep 7 hours but wake up during deep sleep, you'll feel worse than someone who slept 6 hours and woke at the end of a cycle. Your brain doesn't care about the clock, it cares about completion. Here's the part most people miss. You're not lazy for feeling tired. You're not broken. Your brain is just waking up at the wrong time in the cycle. Try this. Set your alarm for 6 hours or 7.5 hours instead of random numbers. Your brain will respond. You'll notice the difference within days. Clearer mind, faster mornings, no fog. Sleep smarter, not longer. When your cycles align, your mind wakes up ready. If you enjoy understanding how the mind works, subscribe to Next Level Mind.